I'm one of the lucky people that gets to wear a mouth guard at night because I grind my teeth. And this is actually the second one I've had to order because my other one, I was just using toothpaste and toothbrush to kind of clean it off afterwards. And it just got so yellow and disgusting. So I bought this to help with cleaning it. And so far, so good. So let me show you how it works. And I like that it says it's even supposed to help whiten your teeth, which I think is a great added bonus. You just take the pump and you put it inside, and then a little does go a long way. It kind of spreads out as you're using it. And then you have two options. You can either use it where you let it sit for up to 5 minutes, or if you just want to pop this in and be done, you put it in and then anything extra you just spit out. So I do recommend doing this over a sink, but the taste of it is not bad at all. Of course, you don't want to swallow it, but it's super, super easy to use. And you get quite a lot in your bottle, and it's been great. So I've been using this every night. I just pop this in and I'll go ahead and do it. But once I put it in, I probably won't be able to talk because I'll then need to go and spit out the excess. But there we go. And then I would just go and spit the rest out.